Welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl JJ kama kawaida, and here with another cooking recipe. So guys, today, and before we proceed guys, if you are new here, please consider subscribing, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. Tuendelee hivyo hivyo so that we hit 1k subscribers. So here I have githeri today. I'm going to show you how to fry githeri. So let's start by showing you the ingredients before we fry it. So guys, as you can see here, I have onion, I have tomatoes, the crushed ginger and garlic, yellow pepper, red pepper and green pepper. Here is the spices I'm going for them, and here I have coriander. Githeri is here. I'm also going to use the coconut cream powder because I really like it. And now here we have oil, and here is our spices. Yeah, black pepper, paprika, curry spice, and today I'm going to use the garam masala, and here is the salt. So let's start by adding the oil into our sufuria. We add onions, then we see what else. That's the first step. So guys, step 2, we have the oil into sufuria, so we are going to add our onions. Then you have to fry it. Here I have the mixture of crushed ginger and garlic, so let's add it. Stir it and give it time so that after that you add your tomato. I think our onion is ready. Now we have to add tomatoes. Our tomatoes is ready, I think. Yeah, so let's add water. I'm going to add half glass of water to avoid my sugar from getting hot. After that, it's now time for me to bring my spices and add before I add my githeri. So here is the curry spice and spice here. Black pepper. I don't know if you guys like black pepper as I like. I really like this spice. I have paprika. And here is garam masala. I don't know if you see it very well, garam masala. Finally, here is the Royco. I really like the taste of this. Inakwanga poa. It makes your food yummy, so I really like it. Even inafaa iweke. You don't need to add all of it. You have to crush it. Then here is salt. Naekanga hapa salt yangu ya. Add small bunch of salt because tumetumia spices, and most of spices venye mnajua it has a lot of salt, so this is the salt that I'm going to add. Yeah. See how it looks like? It's very yummy, but before I add my githeri. And here we have our githeri now, so let's add our githeri. I'm going to stir the githeri to mix up so that it mixes with the spices together with salt. Yeah, so I think our githeri is ready. Now let's add the last ingredients, because they are supposed to be crunchy, because they are not supposed to overcook. Like, you don't need to overcook them. So let's add it. It looks yummy. So guys, as you can see in this bowl, I have green pepper, yellow pepper and red pepper. So let's add. here we have coriander, so let's add the coriander. Here is the plate, and I have a plate of water, warm water inside, and here I have the coconut cream powder. So let's mix it. Yeah. My plate is white. The coconut cream is white, so you can't see it very well, but I think it's okay. So from it, here it is. Yeah. Our githeri is ready, as you can see. Pluck it to the maker, and it looks very yummy, very sweet even before I taste it. So let's put into our dish. Here is our githeri is ready, and here is our kabol. So let's put it inside. Yeah, our githeri is here, so ready to serve. You can serve with anything that you want. And as for me, so let me wash the avocado. I have the oranges, so let me prepare it. This is the avocado I'm washing. This is orange. I don't have lemon, but you can use lemon. So I'm cutting my avocado into pieces. Here it is. Then here I have my orange. Oranges, then avocado, and avocado looks yummy. Anyway, acha tukataste. Don't judge a book by its cover. Wanasemanga hivyo, if I'm not wrong. So.